My name is Jay English. I'm the founder of Plain English, and I'm really excited to connect with you today. I want to take a couple of moments to introduce myself, share why I believe the topic of cultural diversity in foster care and adoption is so important, and also give you a sneak peek into what you can expect in my sessions. I grew up in Waukegan, Illinois, and had the unique experience of navigating life in a primarily African American and Hispanic neighborhood. Now, at the same time, my mother thought it was a good idea to send me to a private school where I was one of the few chocolate pieces roaming around with a primarily Caucasian student body. Now, that in and of itself was an eye-opening journey, but it taught me the importance of understanding different perspectives. So today, I utilize those cross-cultural experiences and many others that I've had along the way to inspire people and to continue building bridges to address issues of race and culture. With over 20 years of experience in teaching, consulting, and motivational speaking, I'm deeply devoted to making a positive impact in people's lives. My presentation style is infused with a combination of energy, humor, and practicality, as I believe that lasting change can only come from engaging both the heart and the mind. Now, why do I believe the topic of cultural diversity is important when it comes to foster care and adoption? Well, first off, it's about creating safe environments where every child can feel seen, heard, and valued. In this session, we're going to dive into the unique challenges faced by parents adopting and fostering children of different cultures. We'll discuss how building cultural competency, supporting a child's cultural identity, and engaging with their birth family and community are all essential in creating a nurturing and inclusive family dynamic. So what's it like to be in one of my sessions? Well, picture this. It's a blend of history, storytelling, fact-based evidence, interactive conversations, and actionable takeaways. Throughout our time together, we're going to tackle tough questions, address myths, and create a space where everyone is encouraged to learn and to grow. So whether you're an adoption agency, a social worker, or a parent, I promise you these sessions will make a real difference. With all of that being said, I'm excited about the opportunity to bring this session to your organization or community. So let's connect, have a conversation, and explore ways we can work together to bring about positive change. I hope to talk to you soon.